So I've been asked this question a couple of times, and it's kind of difficult to explain it without being able to show you. So the problem that a lot of people are having is when they bring in a piece of footage and it either has an alpha channel connected to it, or if you're trying to manipulate footage and that footage then gets an alpha channel associated with it, it's acting a little weird. Me explaining that probably doesn't mean much to most, but let me show you what I mean by this. So here's a project that I worked on today. This top layer is my actual footage, my camera footage, and it's just shrunken down, so there's no alpha channel associated with it. And then I have my screen cap. If I was to take both of these shots, and let's say I wanted to add something to this whole thing in Fusion, I would, highlight here and then add clip to Fusion. And then I would go over into Fusion and then I would go to add something, and something's different here. You can see that there's a black background. If I look at both of these pieces of media, so here is the background that we had. It's connected via the background, and this is my screen cap. And then if we look at this in the other viewer, we have the shot of me, and then they're getting merged together. One thing that you'll notice with this is that there's no alpha channel. Everything's just black. So let's go back into our edit. And if we come into our Fusion tab and we look at that on a timeline, everything looks good here. We go over to the Fusion tab and we notice that there's an alpha channel here. So a lot of people get very confused at this point and don't know what's going on. So let's go back over to the Edit tab and come back to the timeline. So here it looks fine, but in Fusion it doesn't. So what happens is nothing gets added in this Fusion tab until you add something in here, meaning that this hold on, I'm actually on the wrong one. If I look at this, wait. So nothing gets added, nothing goes through the Fusion tab until something gets added here. So if I come in and I add, let's say, a piece of text into here, and let's just put something here, test, and then I go back over to the Edit tab, we'll have our text added here, but now we actually see what Fusion sees. There's a bunch of things going on here, but let me just explain to you how to fix this. So if we just keep going back until before we connect them, and what we need to tell DaVinci is that, hey, this piece of footage has an alpha channel to look for. So we're just going to click on here, and then we're going to go to Find in Media Pool. It'll find where that clip is. We're gonna right click on it, go to Clip Attributes, and we say, hey, there's an alpha channel associated with this clip. So now it knows that it's acting exactly the same as it was before. But now when we take these two and we turn it into a Fusion clip, if I go over into the Fusion tab now we see it. So we can just add in our text and then go over to the Edit tab, and now we see it. So that's how you fix a lot of problems that have to do with an alpha channel. And this happens a lot of times to content that doesn't have an alpha channel. So formats that don't have an alpha channel. But if you would bring in, let's say, a PNG or something like that, those will just come in, no problems. It's a lot of the times the footage, DaVinci just looks at this and says, okay, there's no alpha channel, so I don't need to look for alpha values. And then you add the alpha values in, and then it makes it into another clip, but then that clip comes down. Anyways, it doesn't matter. I explained to you how to fix it. Don't worry about it. If you have any other problems, let me know down in the comments. Again, my name's JR, and thanks for watching.